Hello and welcome back to the Innovator channel. You find us here again with it's not a mod and it's not really a hack, but it's the essence of the Innovator channel. One of the things the channel will be talking about or trying to exploit is the things that in this case people throw away. Now, my requirement obviously was to make videos for the channel. And I see a lot of people who have the phone in one hand and they're trying to unscrew a widget with the other hand or load bullets into a magazine with one hand, and it all just seems a bit curious. If you can have something that will hold the phone for you, or the camera for you, of course, why wouldn't you use that? Now, the reason we're looking at this bit of nonsense is this item, this excellent armature with clamps, adjustable angles, was thrown out in our communal rubbish area. It's perfectly fine. The wood, everything is lovely and clean, and somebody threw it out, and I need something to hold my phone. This is not my phone, obviously. I'm recording this video on it, but this is just an example, and you can see it's ideal. Now, all right, yes, it stood on a box because it's a little bit short. The Innovator says, right, well, I need to do this. I want it to be about shoulder height. Let's make it work. There's a box. There's a thing someone's thrown away. But more than that, it holds the phone perfectly. And when it's on, I can see all of the dials, the virtual buttons. With this nice big slot here, which is fully adjustable, you can see the cable. Where's it go? Here it goes. There's the cable. There's the charger for my mic and my phone. It just comes to here, it runs to that nice slot, supports it, round the corner, supports it, and it goes into the phone. So I never have to worry about my equipment running out of power, my mics, phone, all sorted. And as I say, this is at least 1/3 of what the channel's about. You have a requirement, and hey, somebody threw this away. Now I could sell it, but it's done me an excellent job, and I expect to use it for years and years. The point is, of course, these clamps are amazing. You could hang things off them. You could, put things of different sizes. They got really good adjustment on those bolts. But as you become, more innovative, hey, put some longer bolts in and put a big camera in it or something else. Who's to say? So this was just a little video of exactly that. Let's learn to see things, exploit them, and innovate. All right, until next time, catch you later.